Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for you Cancerians. So we have the King of Wands, the High Priestess, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles is the Queen of Swords, the Temperance, the Two of Cups, the Justice, and the Star. So Cancerians, we have the King of Wands, the High Priestess, and the King of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that you are, it's like you are trying to regain your stability, your passion, your confidence, and you are doing all this behind the scenes or secretly in the sense it's within you, you're working within you. Okay, maybe it is not evident to people, maybe you're not showing that to people, but there is something which you're working upon on your own, within your own self, secretly, and people are not aware of it. So it's like, seems to me like some sort of an inner work which is being done to restore the stability, the financial stability, the passion, getting back on track, trying to work on your own self. That's what I feel. And this work which is being done within your own self, it's being done very intuitively. Okay, so you are very much in touch with your intuition. You feel that you need to do this inner work so that you can achieve your control back, you can achieve your stability, you can achieve that inner power, so that you can feel good about yourself, you can feel confident, you can feel good about yourself, and you can sort of, it's like regaining everything in your life back. It's something of that sort, and you're doing that inner work very intuitively and on your own without people being aware of it. Okay, and once that is done, once you are doing it, you really are able to see that there is a new beginning. So you will be able to with the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Temperance, what I feel is that once you are able to do this inner work, once you are able to deal with this inner engineering or whatever is there which needs to be done, you will launch yourself in a new way, or you will be able to sort of see a new beginning or install yourself in a new way, or sort of you will be able to reap the benefits of the new beginning. It's, you've done what needs to be done, and now, okay, here I am, this is the new me, or you will be able to even see the new opportunities. Okay, so the new you will be able to see the new opportunities in life, and while doing so, while putting yourself, relaunching yourself for this new beginning, you are thinking logically, you are being strategic, you are being doing things very logically, and this is landing you in a place of peace and contentment. So whatever this inner work is being done, and once you are done with it, you are there open to people, dealing with people. Okay, now here I am, and here I am ready to reap the new beginnings. You are, with a lot of logical sense and analysis, you are able to achieve peace with that, you are able to achieve that contentment, you are able to do things in a balanced way. Okay, we have many major arcanas here. We have the High Priestess, we have the Temperance, the Justice, and the Star. So whatever this inner work is going on, this phase of your life seems to be a pivotal phase of your life. Okay, so you are really working hard on yourself. Okay, and once you are able to achieve that balance, you are able to achieve that contentment, okay, you are moving towards new friendships, new collaborations, being at peace, restoring balance and healing in your life. Okay, so once you realize that this is the true path, this is the right path for you to follow, for you to move ahead, you will feel that your dreams are coming true, your wishes are being fulfilled, you feel healed, you feel hopeful also for the future. So Cancerians, you are doing this inner work big time and then starting thinking logically, opening yourself up to the world, availing the new opportunities which are coming up in life. And by doing that, you are moving towards equal partnerships, equal and balanced relationships, and you are able to handle them very, very gracefully in a beautiful way. Okay, number 10 may be of some significance. This is the 10 of spades. So this is a wake-up call. This is the alarm. This is the alarm of your life. This is the new beginning of your life. This is the wake-up call of your life. That's what I said. This is something good which you are really doing, Cancerians. Message from the angels. 5 of abundance. There are times when everyone needs a hand, sorry. Your angels want you to know that you needn't go through the current challenges alone. Accept the help of those around you. The situation you are experiencing is temporary. This may not be the right time to become self-employed. Be patient. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.